Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. Today we will learn the topic called column aliases. You will know the concatenation operator. You will know the distinct command. You will know the describe command in a Snowflake. So let's start with column aliases. The column aliases is a user-defined name assigned to column or expression in a result set. The syntax is select column name as and column aliases name from table name. So let's start with practical with a snow site, which is I am using a trial Snowflake account. So here the first example is column aliases. The here I have a table called customer and I have a column called first name. We rename it with first space name. If you have the space, then you have to enclose with double quotes. Here we can use column aliases name without as command, and if you have not the space of column aliases, then you can use without double quotes. So let's execute this statement. Select and control enter to execute this statement. Here you can see the result. The first name, here the original column name is c underscore first name underscore name. You can rename it with first name. Last name, you because without as, here show the same result of column aliases, and here also used without quotation. You can rename the email underscore address to email only. So the as is a optional command, or if you have not a space of column aliases, you can use without double quote, and if you have the space of column aliases, you have to enclose with double quotes. Okay, now let's move to another topic called concatenation operator. So concatenation operator is double pipe. It is used to combine two or more string into single string. So let's move to a snow side. Suppose I want to combine the column first name last name to single column first name and last name as a full name. So we have to put the concatenation operator as a double pipe first name double pipe space. Here we put the single quote in between the space and then last name. If I execute this statement, then we can see the first name last name. This is the combination of first name and last name by using the concatenation operator. Let's execute another practice. Here we can combine the first name last name and birth of year. So here use the concatenation operator space and here without space. So here you can see the result without space. Okay, now let's learn the distinct. The distinct keyword is used to retrieve unique value from a specific column or combination of column. Now let's move to snow side. Suppose we have the customer table, and suppose if I want to retrieve the unique value of marketing segment, first of all we learn the first statement without distinct. Here the result show the all the value from the marketing segment. Now if I want to distinct value or a unique value, then you have to put the distinct value at the beginning of the select statement after select statement. So if I execute this statement, you will show the result of unique value of marketing segment. Now if I use the more than one column, then you have to put only one times the distinct value of the beginning of the column names and after the select statement. If I execute this statement, then it show the result the unique value of combination of first name and last name. Let's do another example. If I execute this statement, then it show the distinct value of a country name from the customer table of a schema SF10TCL. You can practice from here. The shared dataset called uh, Snowflake sample data. Now let's move to another topic, which is our last topic of this video, called describe command. The describe command is used to describe the structure of table or retrieve the information of table. The syntax is describe table and table name. So now let's move to snow side. If I execute this statement, you can see the result, the information of table. Here you can see the name of table, data type of table, and other constant of table. There is a shortcut for describe, which is DESC. If I execute this statement, then you can see the same result as describe table customer. So we learn the column aliases allow to assign user friendly name to column. We learn the concatenation operator is used to combine the string. We learn the distinct keyword to ensure that the result only include unique value. We learn the describe command to provide the metadata information about table. So please do your example and experiment with these concepts from your environment. Thank you for your watching. Stay tuned for next video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.